What's smashing, y'all? Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use hotkeys in OBS. Everyone always thinks that they need a stream deck with fancy buttons so they can do some cool things on stream. And to be honest, that's just not true. OBS has hotkeys built in, so with a click of a button or two, you'll be able to switch scenes, activate your camera, mute your mic, and a bunch of other things. So let's talk about it. First things first, you have to know what OBS is. It stands for Open Broadcast Software, and it's the software that everyone uses to usually go live on streaming platforms such as Kick, Twitch, Facebook Gaming, YouTube, even TikTok and Instagram. I use it for all my streaming needs, and I've used it on almost all those platforms. So, everyone thinks that they need a fancy dancy stream deck to be able to do cool things on stream, like mute their mic or hide themselves or to change scenes. And to be honest, that's just not true. You can all do that with hotkeys here built in OBS. First off, don't get overwhelmed. This is just a list of all the things that I have in OBS. And vertical is just a plugin that helps me get vertical content such as shorts or TikToks and stuff like that. So while you go here, you can scroll down. See, I have Control B. So if I'm streaming and something dope is happening, I can simply click Control B and I'll record the last 60 seconds in a vertical format for me. Yeah, I do have it set up on my Stream Deck, but this is for people that don't have a Stream Deck. I mean, a Stream Deck costs like $160, the lowest tier. The highest one's around $240. So, you can just do this once you set this up in OBS. So I figured the easiest one to do is to show cam and to hide cam on my gaming. So I'm gonna show you that here in a second, but I'm gonna continue going through the list so we can knock it out little by little. But remember, Control S is to show, Control H is to hide, and you pick these commands. I picked it because it makes the most sense to me. And then here's the Let's Chat screen where I'm usually talking to you guys, or it has the vertical versions as well, NBA 2K, and it's just the difference of how I have it on landscape and how I have it in portrait. And the plugin is super dope. I did make a video about it, and I recommend you check it out. So here's the What's Smashing chat. That is this scene right here. Okay. So if you look, I have in the background of it, it's gonna be a red background, and I put in commands in here. Right now it says Control yes, because yes I would like to show the background, and Control no, I would like to hide the background. I don't really use these commands, but I just did this for the video. And then I added the same commands, Control S for show camera and Control H to hide. You're like, wait, these are just scenes. Where's the cool stuff? If you keep going down, it shows you all your scenes and all that stuff and the emotes and the browsers. And see here, cam, if I want to mute my cam, I don't use the mic on my cam. But if you did, there's an option to mute your camera. Desktop audio, when you're having those Discord phone calls or those conversations and you don't want your stream to hear it, usually you can go here and let's say if I put Control D and it's to mute my desktop. It's pretty dope. Emote scenes, it shows you all your stuff that you have. Say if I'm gaming and I don't want the gameplay to come through, I come here, put a control or whatever just to mute the gameplay. Same thing with all the little stuff that you have here. And to mute, so say I go Control M, all right, to mute my mic, and Control U to unmute it. And please remember, you have to save this, you have to apply this before you move forward. So I'm gonna just so we can mess with it, so I can show you how it works. Okay, apply. All right, we're gonna go back to our What's Smashing chat. So now that I show you that I did those things, so yes, I want to show the background. No, I want to show the background. I can easily put all those things here on my Stream Deck and press it with one button. But we talked about the price. So now if I want to hide myself on this screen, same buttons, Control H, and I'm hidden. If I want to shut off that background that you see right there, right? I can Control no, and that background is gone. And I can just show myself again. Look at it. Look, if I'm talking to you and I want to mute my mic midway, and see, that's how easy it is. It's just, everyone gets so worried and scared, and everyone thinks that they need a Stream Deck or Elgato pedal or they need something like that. Look, Control Yes, and my background's right back on. So if you sit there and you take the time and you mess with OBS, I think it has fantastic ways. You know, it sucks that you do something epic here, right? So say I go to my Epic stream, and it sucks that if I do something epic here, I have to go run and press Control B because I set up my backtrack that way so it could record the past 60 seconds. Instead, when something epic happens, I could just take one finger and boom, record it. But for the price and for someone that's just starting to make content creation, why spend that money? Why spend that money at all? Right now you're watching the SMASHIN Web Show. We come out every Friday, 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern, exclusively on YouTube. And I've been doing this for 28 episodes. This is the 28th episode right now. And I'm just a content creator trying to give back to other content creators. I know a lot of this stuff can be overwhelming. I've been doing this for 10 plus years, and I wish someone was helping me the same way that I'm trying to help you out. Right? So thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please smash that subscribe button. And as always, don't forget to have a smashing day. Alright, I'm your boy Smash. And yeah. Peace.